All right, good morning and good afternoon. All right, from the title of the video, if you guys saw if you guys really read on YouTube, put it like this: we're getting a Resonator delete on this car. If you guys didn't watch yesterday's video or this week's video, I did put out a cold air intake on this car from eBay, which actually was like super nice and it actually sounds decent. So if you guys want to watch that, videos around up here or something, click on that. Yeah, I'm leaving the wifey and the
Oh shit!
I'm leaving the wifey and the little goblin at at the mall so I could go do this Resonator delete.
We're going shopping.
I'm a little nervous because what I want from this car is basically, still be able to use my flaps. Still be able to use my flaps when I mean my flaps, like use my valves. I'm a little nervous because they said that they gotta see like if they're able to do it. In North Carolina, these guys are all muscle heads, so not a lot of shops here work on BMWs. But we're gonna find something to do. A lot of people that don't know BMWs see this car and they automatically think like M340. Oh yeah, that's an M340. Like, how many people here like told me, yo, that's an M340? I'm like, nah, bro, this is not no M340. This is the base model of the M340. Just be careful when you guys go to the shop. Do your research, ask around and stuff, because you never know, bro. But I'm gonna let you guys know. All right, let's go to the muffler shop. Damn, this bitch dark. All right, so we just got to the mechanic shop. The car's in one of these bays. Thing is over there. Yo, bro, do you think 170 for a Resonator delete on the G20 is crazy? I don't know. I think it's crazy, bro. Let me know if you guys have done it, and let me know how much they charged you at. All right, so here's what happened. So they took me to look under the car and stuff, and they said that the Resonator, the pipes for the Resonator on these BMWs are oval shaped, so they're literally like this instead of this. And long story short, they said it's possible to do it. Like, they done it before. It's just they didn't have the time because they closed at 6 and it's already like 4. It's about to be 5. So this is what they set on price. So for you to do that, it's around, he said 270.
What?
It would have been 170 with the round pipe. He thought it was a round pipe, but clearly I called my boy and he's gonna see if his mechanic does it. And for a lower price, because my boy's telling me like that's too crazy for for just a pipe. And I mean, it is a little crazy, 270, bro, for just a pipe. Like, yeah, I respect the welding industry and shit like that, and a job is a job, but I thought I was gonna have a nice sounding car but tonight, but I guess not. If this is the only place that actually like is willing to do it, then I'm willing to do it also. So we're gonna see if it works out and it comes out to being something good, then I'll do it. But I don't know, bro. If this video, I don't know, bro. I mean, by the title of this video, I'm gonna have to do it.
Tomorrow for sure.
Alright, so I looked up online, estimated like, price on like a Resonator delete on the 330, especially a 3 Series. It said it ranges around like $200 to $500. I think I might as well just do it. Alright, I'm waiting for my boy JC to pull up because I don't know how long the process is gonna take. He did say it's a little hard of a process because, the Resonator like twists like almost like a S. But I feel like I'm the only one putting this car on the map, bro. There's only a few guys here that really put this car on the map. There's that guy that made that 330 with 500 horsepower. There's a dude on TikTok that I know that's from New York that has a red 330 that really put that car on the map. So I feel like we're the only few people that put that car on the map. Yeah, there's other people out there, but yo, bro, we need to put the 330 on the map, bro. Now, the fact that car really has a B58, like a mocked B58 engine on it, with just a missing a few cylinders, that still shocks me, bro. Short hair king. Nah, but yo, JC pulled up, with the Eclipse. Imagine this car in red with white wheels. How fire would it? Or a midnight purple. I told him go midnight purple, but bro, this car is nice, bro. God damn! Yo! Nah, you need a car wash, OG. Now I want to show them how the car sounds stock. The resonator makes a big difference, bro.
I know, that's
like a crazy difference. Nah, it's not gonna be like crazy.
I'm gonna be jealous. No, you're gonna be surprised, bro.
Yeah,
You're gonna be surprised. But
stop.
Keep your expectations.
Car finally is gonna sound different. All right, we out to the shop.
2 hours later.
Show the car. We've been here for like what, 2 hours?
Something like that, yeah.
2 hours, and then they just, I don't know, we seen them cutting into the car, and then he pulled out and then did a whole circle, but the car sounded stock, so I'm not sure if they did something to it.
I'm telling you, bro.
Unless he was in comfort the whole time.
You're thinking too much into it. Because when they did mine, it didn't sound that crazy until I started driving it more, and then once it got loud.
I don't know, I'm a little nervous.
We'll see, bro.
They were cutting into the car for sure, though. All right, so they said they did. Oh my God, let me see the resonator. That's the resonator for y'all, bro. Y'all see how? Oh my God. Yo, but it didn't sound like nothing when he passed by us, bro. I'm a little nervous, bro.
Turn it on.
Here,
Turn it on.
point from
got
the
you.
back.
Hold on.
Ready? So this is gonna be in comfort.
Okay.
Now this is sport. That shit sounds way louder.
You too, man. The burbles sound way louder.
Nah, let's take a drive.
3 days later.
They can't take my Mexican friend.
Oh my God.
All right, put it like this. JC's recording, what is it? Recording skills are trash. So it's been like 2 days after we deleted the resonator. And yeah, just drop in the comment, JC, get your skills up. You know, JJ's here, so he really gonna y'all gotta hear the car, bro. So let's shoot some rollers.
It's JJ here. I'm taking over for Curly. Check out my starlights. We just did them.
You are not him.
See how my camera skills are. I think I'm a pretty good recorder. Damn. Sounds nice, bro.
Looks good.
Yes, sir. Hey, burn out, burn out.
All fours?
This guy thinks he's a Hellcat. Time to go swimming.
I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. If you got a 330 or want a 330, get the 330. One, the intake on that car, beautifully, especially the one from eBay, beautifully. Now resonator, not so bad, but it doesn't make a big difference until you tune the car. So we're gonna have to wait until I tune the car. I know once I tune the car and put the catalyst downpipe on it, it's gonna make a huge difference. Let me know if you guys enjoyed the video. I'll take advice from anybody. Drop it down below. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Bro, I enjoy making these videos. Let me know if you guys want a point of view with the intake and the resonator delete. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Deuces.